Hey YouTube, welcome to another edition of Real Men Get It Done. Today we are tackling our kitchen. So it's not terrible, but I do want to show kind of a deeper clean of it to hit some of the surfaces, get some of the nooks and crannies of things that just have been crazy, and I'm tired of looking at them. So I'm gonna have my kids jump in and help me with it. It should be a fun video showing some of the behind the scenes of cracks and crevices, nooks and crannies that really need some attention and detail. So thank you for tuning in. Real Men Get It Done. All right. All right, after a full day of cleaning, we broke the kitchen down in sections, section 1, section 2, and section 3. Here's everything clean and organized. Kids have treats, snow cone makers, ice cream maker, grilling supplies. This is bare, which is good. My wife and kids are their art supplies. Love making canvases and all fun stuff. Organizing, cleaning, throwing away old things that we no longer needed. Our workout stuff, water bottles, all of our Tupperware organized, tops actually on them. Silverware, pots and pans that was already done. Stove, fully clean, looks beautiful. Even though we cleaned it fully on the outside and inside, we have it self-cleaning right now. Microwave, fresh and clean. All of my wife's baking stuff, clean and organized. Very long. Started when it was daylight, now it's nighttime. But you can see we got everything done. And that's it, y'all. Real men get it done. Deep kitchen clean. Organizing all of our cabinets and drawers. Till next time, guys. Peace and blessings.